Test. Hello. Too loud. No loud. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have this Volvo VNL. This one has a Cummins engine and it has problems. And that is the reason why it's here, because we have problems with Cummins. And this is from the year 2015, and the mileage on this is 900,000. And the reason why it's here is because we have the check engine light on, and we have some Regen problems that relating to Derate and everything. And I already have the computer hooked up to the diagnostic system, and we are going to see the fault codes right here. We have a couple of fault codes. So the first one is related to the exhaust gas pressure. The second one is about the torque derate. The fourth one talks about the pressure of the after treatment. I mean the voltage of the after treatment DEF heater line. And there is a fourth one talking about the coolant level sensor circuit, then could be open. And the fifth one is about the after treatment pressure, which is a DPF pressure. It is not in the recommended level. Here we have the generic codes. These are the SPN codes right there. See, so if you want to refer to those are the SPN universal codes for this problem. Anyway, we have this right here as a major problem, and this fault code right here, the one is right here, it is related to the one is here, because we have problems with the DPF. So these two are in the same one, but this and this one are causing the major issue. So for that, we are going to identify the, give me a second. So first we want to identify what are the location of the sensors, specifically the exhaust pressure sensor and the after treatment diesel particular sensor differential pressure. So the sensor, the exhaust pressure sensor is going to be located right in there. It's pretty hard to see it, but it's right by the thermostat right there. Right there. So, is that one there? Let me see. Let me focus. That one there, that is the sensor. The sensor that you can see there, that is the exhaust pressure sensor. It's pretty hard to see in these Volvos because they're pretty tight, but that is. Anyway, yeah, that one there. So it goes right by the thermostat. So. And the other sensor location goes right here. This is the DPF filter. It comes from the engine. And this right here, the plug that you can see right here, that is the differential pressure sensor. Then goes connected here and here. So those tubes right there. So what is the problem? That is what we're gonna find out right now using the diagnostic software. We need to use that in order to find the problems. All right, so let's get rid of this screen right here, and let's look for the exhaust pressure sensor. I think it goes for that. see, EGR. I don't know. I think it was for exhaust pressure. So let's see. Oh yeah, right here. See, exhaust gas. And this is the signal, which is not a right signal we have right here. The computer is determining, then we have a problem. But anyway, the problem is right here is we're getting the problem of the DPF not being in the right condition because we have high amount of soot in this system, and that's what the computer is telling you. And there is a high pressure in the exhaust back pressure, then goes to the DPF filter, and this one right here, of course, then we have more pressure. So it could be then the high pressure right here. Oh, I'm sorry, I removed it. Okay, let's go find it. It could be then the pressure on the DPF is higher than normal, and the exhaust pressure is connected to the same circuit. So the exhaust pressure is determined, is finding a problem with the pressure. So it could be the same problem. It could be the same situation. Then we're getting one solid problem, and that could be just to go all the way down. I'm looking for it. Oh, it goes up. All right here. All right. See, it could be then this pressure is too high, and then the sensor is reading a lot of pressure, and it kind of like it kind of like says then there is a problem with the system. So maybe the pressure, the problem starts right here and goes to this sensor right here. But anyway, what could be the cause of this problem? Let's see if we can get the troubleshooting right here. I don't think I have that troubleshooting for this. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, I do have it. Okay, there is the troubleshooting. Of course, this is just a guide. Don't refer 100% to this one. Don't try to. So the possible causes, it says then the after treatment harness could be sensor could have a damage or something. The engine has been operating a light low, blah blah blah. And then a possible base engine manufacturer excessive black soot generation. Okay, that could be a reason why. And then if there is two codes, indicates that the regeneration high message has been received by the ECM. Active refrigeration this particular filter was not allowed. So there is couple ways to solve these problems, but you need to do a step-by-step testing to know what will be the solution to this problem. Freeze, I will say then we might have a problem with the Regen. The Regen is not happening. So what can happen is then the Regen is not going through, and the temperature is not reaching the working the cleaning temperature, and that is the reason why the engine cannot clean the excessive amount of soot in the system. The second problem could be a bad sensor, and the third problem could be a bad DPF filter. Usually DPF go bad on these Cummins. They need replacement. They don't need to be cleaned. They need to be replaced. What will be the real solution? Well, that will be after you inspect your truck. All these trucks are going to have different repairs, but it will be up to you to know which repair will be the right one to do. I will say then freeze as my recommendation, and as what I'm gonna do. Freeze, I'm gonna do a Regen and see what is the percentage of soot that goes down, and if the soot doesn't go down at all, it will be then we have a DPF filter failure. But if it goes down and then it goes back up, maybe the DPF filter too, but also the sensor. So maybe we start replacing the sensor and see what happens, right? And that is how everything is gonna go. But remember, that's how you are going to diagnose. You just don't go straight to replace parts. You have to at least do some kind of testing here and there, to at least find out the problems. I will say that it's not so easy to say, oh yeah, this is the problem. You have to investigate a little longer, and sometimes you have to replace some parts to know the problems, because it is a sealed system, so you cannot see physically how it is. So you have to open it, and if you want to open it, you want to spend money anyway. But my recommendation will be start doing a regen, and then if the regen doesn't go through, or the temperature doesn't reach the specific temperature, which is 1000, 1100 Fahrenheit, to clean the system, we may have a problem with the regen. So we wanna fix the regen's problem. Why the regen is not getting to the enough temperature to clean the system, and that's how you wanna go. But anyway, as it is now, and as I said, what I wanna do right now is I wanna start a regen on this truck and see how it goes. And if the pressure right here, let's remove this one right here. And if the pressure right here that goes lower than 6, maybe 4, maybe 3, yeah, that means that the system is cleaning itself. But if it stays all the time like the same pressure, yeah, I mean the same ounces, it says, we have a problem. But also the sensor could be bad, so probably before you do anything, after you do a regen, replace the sensor and do a reset to everything, and that will guarantee then we are going to do the proper repair. Well, this is all I have for you for this video, and I hope that this is enough information, and if it's not, I will try to do more information like this to you, so that way you can get more idea on what you have to do to these engines that are very complicated to repair, especially with the after treatment system. But stay tuned to the channel. I have more videos coming the same way this is. I'm gonna have more videos like this, and just be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Follow me on Instagram as franciscoamaya YouTube. If you wanna come to the shop, you can find on the description of this video the details on how to come to the shop. If not, here is the address, 8215 Beach Avenue, Fontana, California. So like the video, share it, subscribe, and thank you for watching.